up. Yo, what is this on me?
Hello, Jason.
What the fuck? Who said that?
I want to play a game. So you see, you've been bad for 3 years, so you deserve a punishment. The thing on your face is called a reverse bear trap, and there is a dead man in front of you, and a knife. There is a key inside his stomach, and you have to try get it out his body. If you don't do it in time, the trap will snap your head off, basically murdering you. You have 50 minutes.
I got to break this damn rope off. Easy now. I need to get that key. Come on, motherfucker. I need the key. Ah, come on. Where the fuck is the damn key? Damn it. Fucking damn it. Damn it, you asshole. Fuck you, Jigsaw. You piece of shit.